Before you buy new brake pads, know this. Some popular brands look great on the shelf but fail fast on the road. Here are 5 to avoid, 9 that actually hold up, and 1 insider tip shops rarely mention. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we uncover hidden car problems, simple maintenance tricks and money-saving tips every driver should know. Avoid these 5 now. Number 5. Wagner Quick Stop. Fine at first. Then squeaks show up, braking weakens under heat, and wear turns uneven, especially on trucks and SUVs. Soft friction material keeps costs down but shortens life. Number 4. Duralast Gold. Inconsistent quality. Some last years, others squeal within months because backing tabs don't seat cleanly in the caliper bracket, causing drag, heat, noise and early rotor wear. Number 3. Bosch Blue. Bosch's budget line, well below their Euro line or severe duty pads. Basic friction compound means soft, delayed bite and shims that lose damping quickly, causing low-speed squeal and fade under heavy use. Number 2. Power Stop Z17. Looks great online, disappoints in practice. Noise after a few weeks, heavy dust, uneven wear, and a pedal that feels duller the harder you push. Number 1. Value Craft. AutoZone's rock bottom line. Glazes early, gets noisy fast, wears unevenly, and often needs replacing sooner than expected, sometimes taking the rotors with it. Before the best list, where you buy matters as much as the brand, so check reviews of your local parts stores too. 9 worth buying. Number 9. Ray Bestos Element 3. Hybrid ceramic semi-metallic blend with a high friction rating for consistent stopping hot or cold. Firm pedal feel, well-controlled noise, occasional light squeak at a crawl. Number 8. Centric Posei Quiet. Positive molded pads that wear evenly from day one, with mechanically attached shims instead of glued ones. Smooth and quiet, but built for comfort, not aggressive stopping. Number 7. Wagner OEX. A completely different tier from Quick Stop. Vented pad shapes pull heat away from the rotor, reducing fade under load. Pricier, and the benefit mainly shows up under hard or heavy driving. Number 6. Advixe. OEM grade quality behind Toyota and Lexus brakes, backed by Aisin, Denso and Sumitomo. Precise factory-like pedal feel, fine blanked backing plates, excellent noise control. Main downside, cost. Number 5. Brembo Ceramic, street-lined on, not the track pads people expect. Low dust NAO ceramic formula gives a softer, more comfort-oriented bite than Brembo's racing reputation suggests, and can fade under sustained hard use. Number 4. OEM genuine pads. Engineered alongside your car's ABS, suspension and rotors. Excellent fitment, quiet operation, and predictable feel. The safest way to keep factory performance at a higher price. Number 3. Akebono Pro ACT. Real OEM supplier quality for many Japanese vehicles. Progressive, predictable bite. Tight tolerance backing plates for clean fitment, and light, low-stick ceramic dust. Number 2. 8 Ceramic. Built for European cars wanting sharp factory feel without the dust. ECE R90 certified, with a ceramic transfer film that protects rotors and keeps braking smooth and quiet. Number 1. Hawk Performance. Top pick for serious stopping power. Ferrocarbon friction material delivers strong, immediate bite even before the brakes heat up, and stays consistent under hard, repeated use. Trade-off: more noise and dust than comfort-focused pads. The insider tip: when a shop says your pads are in the yellow around 3-4 meter, they're not actually done. New pads start around 10-12 millimeter, so you may still have 20-30% of usable life left, often another 5,000-10,000 miles of normal driving before real replacement is needed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Fix, and turn on notifications so you never miss another car-saving tip. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, take care of your ride, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Car Care Fix.